In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the Wi-Fi password on your PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. So first, go to settings. In settings, go to network. In network, go to settings and then go to setup internet connection. Then here go on that Wi-Fi password that you want to change the password of, and then you will need to press this option button. Then go to advanced settings. Then in advanced settings, go on password and press X. Now write the password, and after writing the password, go on done, press X, and then go on OK and press X and wait for it to connect. And if the password is connected, if the password is correct, it will connect. And so this is how you can change the Wi-Fi password on your PS5. Thanks for watching.